Hello guys, this is Positive Trading with you. In this video, I want to talk about Solana. I don't make a lot of videos about Solana. However, when I see a pattern, I would like to let people know if they want to get into a trade and see what they want to do once they watch the video. In any case, I suggest you watch this video with 1.25 or 1.5 speed, so it's a little bit faster and you get all the information without wasting your time. What I see on the daily chart is pretty similar to what happened here on November 2024. We had a similar pattern. We broke out of it briefly, came back inside of it, had a little bit of support and consolidation until we blast off. Right now, I'm seeing exactly the same pattern playing out. If you take a look at here, for example, when we broke out of it in January 2025, we couldn't hold support as a above it. Maybe we did if you look at it as a zone rather than just a line. And right now, if you see what happened here, the first attempt what that we wanted to break out on March failed. Then we went down, but not so much far down because we had a good support in this zone. Right now we are breaking out, and on the daily, what I'm liking is that this green line that you can see is 21 daily SMA. We are above it. And later on, I'll show you Bitcoin dominance chart as well. But for now, let's go to smaller time frames like hourly and 4 hourly. On the 4 hourly, we are above 21 SMA. However, we are due for some pullback. In my opinion, that's it doesn't have to happen, but it could happen. Why I'm saying that is, first thing is that RSI previously, when it was this high, you see here, and right now we had the similar top on RSI and bearish divergence. You see, one high is higher than the recent high. So basically, we're having a slight bearish divergence with the, actually I'll use trend line. Give me a second. If you look at here on the 4 hourly, we did higher high in price and we did a lower high in RSI. So this could be a little bit of a momentum shift until the next support zone, which will be clear on the hourly. Let's take a look. You'll see what I'm talking about. The major support right now, because we lost on the hourly 21 SMA, we are underneath 21 SMA on the hourly, but we have a huge support zone right here, which previously we had held as resistance. Now above it, we are support, and it's not gonna be easy to go below this zone, which is at $136 area. Even this one is a support, but it can easily be broken, which is at $138. However, we might briefly do something like this to touch $136. It doesn't have to happen, but we could do this, then get back up, something like this. Because if you look at it, we have Bitcoin dominance here. This one is a Bitcoin dominance chart on the weekly. What I'm really seeing and paying attention to is this bearish divergence on the Bitcoin dominance chart, which is good for all of our altcoins. If you look, and the weekly is usually stronger and it will play out, but it's a matter of time. It takes some time. So if you look at this line that I drew just now, give me a second. Here, price is making higher highs. Bitcoin dominance is making higher highs in candles perspective. However, we have RSI making lower highs, which means momentum is shifting towards the downside. And usually on the weekly chart, Once you lose 21 SMA on the weekly, the next very likely zone will be down, something like this. So I am hoping that this will play out anytime soon, as they say, any day now. But obviously, weekly time frame is a longer time frame. It takes time, and this area is the next support for Bitcoin dominance, which probably coincides with the little arrows that I drew just now. So yeah, and Solana is looking a little bit short-term bullish in the hourly time frame, but long-term, I mean short-term bearish on the hourly time frame, but long-term bullish. In general, all altcoins long-term bullish because of this weekly RSI bearish divergence on Bitcoin dominance. Guys, if you want to know more about TradingView and how to use TradingView for your charting analysis, how to integrate or include charts like Bitcoin dominance or any other charts into the same, let's say, altcoin chart that you're using, let me know in the comments below. I will show you how it works, how to use all these tools on the left side of the screen, and how to include indicators, how to change your candles. Everything I will be showing in a separate video. So let me know if you guys want to watch full TradingView video, like a crash course basically. In any case, thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.